direction, without a follow, without a mention. You really piping up on these. You gotta be nice for what to these.
What is up, you guys? It's Jerika. Welcome to my channel. So today I am going to show you guys how to get the perfect natural hair bun, even if your hair is not long. So if you have short hair, if you have medium length natural hair, or if you have long natural hair. If you have long natural hair, you probably don't need to do this, but if you want to go ahead and do it anyway as like a quick protective style, then you're more than welcome to do that. So my natural hair, my hair is right at my boobs. But I put my hair in a small bun in the back. I had started doing my hair and then I realized like I probably should have filmed how I did that, but I feel like you guys probably don't need a tutorial on how to slick your hair down. So I'm just going to show you guys real quick how I did it. So I'm not the best at parting my hair. I have realized this. I suck at parting my hair. I got my baby edges, well, my baby hairs kind of slicked down, and then like I said, I have my hair in a small bun in the back. So what you're gonna need is any old drawstring ponytail that you had. This used to be a really long curly drawstring ponytail that I got in maybe November of last year, and it used to be long and I had cut it kind of short. And you know, when synthetic drawstring ponytails get old, that's actually when they look the most natural. But I did have put some jewels in here, so I kind of need to take these out so that I can re-put them in. I was gonna put on another wig today, like the same way that I wore for my top knot bun video. If you want to see how to get a top knot bun with a lace front wig or a half wig, then I will put that over here, whichever side that it shows up on. I will link that above so you can go and watch that. So like I said, I parted my hair right here, and this is the gel that I use to slick it down. It's the Eco Styler gel. I ran out of my Jamaican black castor oil gel. So I found this in my drawer, so I'm going to use this. And I know a lot of people are not using Eco Styler gel anymore, but I'm still using it because I love it, and it's the only gel that I know that does really well with my hair, and like it just makes my hair look so good. So I'm using Eco Styler gel. So I already slicked my hair down. So like I said, you'll need any old drawstring ponytail. This was a newborn free. I honestly don't even remember the name of it, but I just cut off some of the length of it and just cut it in different spots. It's really raggedy looking and it's really old, so the only way you could possibly wear this is as a bun. So with any old drawstring ponytail, you know, you have a comb in the bottom and you have a comb in the top, and then you have your drawstring. So what you're going to do basically is just put this on your ponytail and put the combs in. So you're just going to put on your ponytail, make sure the teeth are in your hair but not to where like it's pulling it. And then you're going to take the drawstring and pull it as tight as it can go without pulling your hair, because you don't want to do that. And then you're going to take this and squeeze it up. And then I like to wrap mine around and then bobby pin it. And this is what the ponytail looks like. Trust me, it does not look right. It looks okay from there, but it's not, you guys. Trust me, like this is not. Maybe if I had cut it evenly it would look okay, but it's definitely not. So then you're gonna need some scrunchies or rubber bands. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna like ball this up as best as you can. I try and like go in a circular motion and I ball it up. I try to just go like that. Just basic bun knowledge, just try and wrap it in a circle around your hair. Keep on wrapping, and then this is when you're going to take one rubber band and just put it around it. Hope you guys can see. So you're going to try and put it at the base of the bun so it'll look like that. And then you're going to take another rubber band, preferably one not as loose, because like this one's loose and then this one's like this, so you kind of want a tighter one for the second round. And you're going to do the same thing again, kind of pushing the bun out because you want the bun to be big. And I'm going to put this on as well. And you can shape it how you want. So this is what the bun looks like so far. Now it's pretty secure like this, but if you wanted to, you can go ahead and add bobby pins I'm going to add a few bobby pins since I'm going to dance class today. I want to make sure this bun ain't going to fall off. You definitely don't want that. Now, if you want to do the little bobby pin trick, like go ahead and get you some silver bobby pins or some gold bobby pins. I have some gold bobby pins just for decoration that I'm going to put in my hair. And that's what that looks like. So your bun is complete. If you wanted to add another rubber band, you could. I'm going to add a few more bobby pins just to make sure this is okay and secure. Don't you hate when the hair starts getting under your nails? That's how you know it's time to get it filled. And that is it, you guys. That's literally all I do. Now this is a really cute, simple style. Like, it's super easy and quick. Super quick. So then you can take some of the little hair jewels if you want, like the kind of things that you put on braids. Some of these and put them on your hair. There's that. Now you could totally be done. Like I said, this is what I do when I do my buns. I think it's really simple and cute, so now I don't have to worry about my bun falling off. You make sure it's secure. You got more bobby pins if you want. You can add another rubber band if you wanted to, but you're technically done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you guys would thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat to keep up with me in my daily life. Also, don't forget to check out my blog. Even though I don't post on it as much as I would like to, go ahead and check out the blog anyway. It's www.jerikasincere.com. And my travel website if you want to become a work from home travel agent and you want to make money booking trips for others, then you can go to www.sisterhoodtravel.info. I have been a travel agent a year and I absolutely love it, and I highly recommend it for anybody that wants to travel or get paid, booking travel for other people, things like that. So you can check out those links in the description bar below. But I thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day.